actually.
Correct!
Are you ready to dance?
Mga boys!
Sino ba sumayaw?
Do you wanna party?
Yeah!
Gusto ko na nila yung tanong. Boy, sinisigawan.
Kailangan niya mga tipong ibang English mo para bang...
Oo, pang gano'n. Do you wanna party? Gusto pala nila minamaltrato. Ayaw pala nila yung ano lang. Do you wanna party? Ayaw.
Kailangan malakas.
Gusto niyo ba mag-party?
Okay, friends, please welcome the very sexy and very talented Miss Era Madrigal!
Drifting through the wind, wanting to start again. Do you ever feel something like over giving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under, screaming but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite, ignite.